Okay, guys, so look at that, and rain has been started up once again. And a couple of times ago, couple of hours ago, there was sun shining, but now it's have been wrapped up, and wow. Okay, so now I'm just going and going and going, exploring something. My phone has been discharged. It is around 25%, and okay, now it's spreading a lot, and this is what you can able to observe. And so right now, I was watching about the games, the things which are really really exciting, and yes, so these basic things. Okay, I don't want to be indulged in some strange things, some danger things that where I cannot able to escape myself, cannot make myself escape from it. So that's the way that I want to do. So okay, so see you all later and bye.